I sold my $1,500 soundbar after this. They said soundbars are the future. Sleek, convenient, plug and play. But here's the truth most people don't want to hear. A properly matched AV receiver can blow even the most expensive soundbar straight out of your living room. And the best part, you don't need to spend $2,000. In this video, I'll reveal 5 budget AV receivers that don't just compete. They destroy soundbars in performance, customization, and long-term value. Before you buy another soundbar, listen to this. If you're on a tight budget, don't settle for compressed audio wrapped in fancy marketing. AV receivers offer real power, real separation, and future-proof flexibility. And today, I've handpicked 5 budget beasts that prove it. Let's dive in. 1. Yamaha RXV4A, the budget hero that doesn't feel budget. The Yamaha RXV4A has no business being this good at this price. Designed to deliver immersive 5.2-channel surround sound, it offers a level of clarity and dynamic power that most soundbars can't even attempt. What makes the RXV4A so special is not just its punch, but the refinement. It's like Yamaha took the DNA of its high-end AVRs and strategically scaled it down without stripping the soul out of the sound. With support for Dolby Atmos height virtualization and DTS-X, it simulates a 3D sound experience even without ceiling speakers. Combine that with Yamaha's proprietary YPO room calibration, and you get a deeply immersive soundstage that adjusts to your exact room. Something no soundbar under $1,000 can do accurately. This isn't just about power, it's about control, connectivity, and future-proof features. It includes HDMI 2.1 ports, 4K per 120 Hz pass-through, and gaming-friendly features like ALLM, Auto Low Latency Mode, making it perfect for PS5 and Xbox Series X setups. Meanwhile, MusicCast multi-room support and AirPlay 2 make it an all-around entertainment beast. Let's be honest, a soundbar might give you cleaner cable management, but it won't ever give you the depth, channel separation, or pure driving force that the RXV4A brings. It's the difference between watching and feeling your content. Suspense drop, but if you thought Yamaha brought fire, wait till you see what Denon packs at the same price. 2. Denon AVS660H, clean, powerful, and built like a tank. Denon's reputation in the AV game is legendary, and the AVR S660H is their ultimate response to the budget versus performance debate. This receiver is designed for purists who crave raw, clean amplification without the gimmicks. We're talking about 75 watts per channel, driven by Denon's legendary discrete amplifier design that refuses to color your sound. It supports full Dolby True HD, DTS HD master audio, and passes through 8K at 60 Hz, which is unheard of in this price class. Whether you're watching movies or listening to a live jazz concert in high-res, the AVR S660H delivers rich textures with surgical precision. What truly elevates this model beyond any soundbar is its flexibility and expandability. You can start with a 5.2 setup and grow into more advanced configurations later. It also offers HUS built-in, letting you stream music wirelessly across your home in high resolution. Spotify, Tidal, Amazon Music, it's all there. On the gaming side, Denon didn't hold back. There's ALLM, VRR, and QFT, quick frame transport, ensuring ultra-smooth graphics with no lag or tearing. If you're using a high refresh rate display or TV, this makes a noticeable difference. A budget soundbar may promise convenience, but it will always compress your audio, limit your upgrade path, and kill any chance at true separation. The S660H delivers cinematic impact, thunderous low end, and a level of detail that no single bar setup can match. Curious clue: one of the next receivers on this list hides a feature normally found in $1,500 models at half the price. 3. Sony STR Dh790, slim look, brutal power. Sony's STR Dh790 is what happens when form and function finally shake hands. At first glance, it looks like a minimalist receiver with a sleek chassis, but under the hood, this thing hits hard. It supports 7.2 channels of decoding with Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, but what really stands out is the dynamic punch in action scenes. Gunfire, explosions, orchestral surges. This receiver makes everything feel like you're in the middle of the storm. Unlike soundbars that rely on digital processing to simulate surround sound, this AVR gives you the real thing. True separation, real elevation, real impact. Whether you place your rear channels on bookshelves or wall mount your height speakers, the Dh790 adapts seamlessly with Sony's automatic CAC room calibration. Its Bluetooth integration is solid for casual streaming, and while it lacks Wi-Fi or network music streaming, that simplicity keeps the price down and performance up. You're paying for what truly matters: clean power, accurate channels, and jaw-dropping Atmos delivery. Movies aside, this receiver handles music with surprising grace. The low mids are warm but not muddy, the highs are crisp without being brittle, and vocals sit right in the pocket. For music lovers on a budget, this might be the best sonic value in the category. Suspense hook. There's a dark horse coming next, designed by a brand known for luxury audio, but secretly releasing a budget giant. 4. Anker TXSR393, the quiet assassin. You won't hear many people talking about the Anker TXSR393, but maybe that's the point. This budget beast is a master of stealth, flying under the radar, but delivering performance that leaves most $800 soundbars breathless. With 5.2 channel output, Dolby Atmos height virtualization, and DTS Virtual X, it creates a virtual dome of audio in your living room. Don't have ceiling speakers? No problem. This AVR simulates height using your existing speaker setup with incredible realism. The sound signature is punchy, forward, and energetic. Dialogues cut through the mix perfectly, while bass punches without overwhelming. Anker's low-impedance drive capability also means it can handle a wide range of speaker loads, even cheaper bookshelf models, without distortion. Its simplicity is a blessing. No bloated apps. No unnecessary smart features. Just clean amplification and sharp decoding. That's why enthusiasts who hate compressed soundbars gravitate toward this unit. For movie nights and weekend music sessions, it offers a truly cinematic experience without the soundbar compromise. Sneak tease. But if you want full Atmos, 8K, and next-gen gaming support for under $500, our final pick might break the internet. 5. Pioneer VSX534, the final underdog with a premium punch. If there's one name that screams forgotten legend, it's Pioneer, and the VSX534 is their return punch. Designed with a no-nonsense layout and deep sound tuning, this receiver supports 5.2 channels with Dolby Atmos and DTS X, and includes Pioneer's advanced CAC for acoustic room correction. What separates the VSX534 is its incredible low-noise signal path and dynamic range handling. Whether it's orchestral music or a fast-paced car chase scene, the transitions are seamless, and the sound layers feel three-dimensional, even in budget setups. The build quality is rugged. It runs cool, handles speaker loads efficiently, and gives you more HDMI inputs than most soundbars offer features. You can connect multiple consoles, streamers, or even turntables with a preamp, and still have room to expand. One underrated feature? Its dialogue enhancement mode, which lifts center channel performance drastically. Perfect for late-night TV or anyone struggling to hear dialogue over loud effects. If you want full Atmos decoding, tight audio control, and the flexibility to grow your setup over time, this might just be the most underrated choice on this list. Final thoughts. Why these beat any soundbar? All 5 of these AV receivers offer something that soundbars, no matter how smart or wireless, can't: raw power, precise audio control, expandability, and true surround sound. You're not stuck with virtual channels. You're not compressing your audio. You're building a real home theater. Soundbars are convenient, but for the same price or less, these budget AVRs destroy them in audio quality, upgrade potential, and long-term satisfaction. Viewer reward line. If you made it this far, you're not a casual listener, you're serious about sound. And now, you've got 5 solid options to build a killer system without breaking the bank. Your move. There you have it, real, budget-friendly AV receivers that outperform overpriced soundbars. No gimmicks, no compromises, just raw power and audio precision. Which one are you going for? Let us know in the comments. And if you're serious about elevating your home theater in 2025, hit that subscribe button. Bigger breakdowns coming.